Hi everyone, this is Drew Steel 69 and this is my update on my layout. Last time I showed you what I received from Brad of Leisure Line Railroad. He got me this sign. It says Railroad Museum, and then he also gave me Bruce Wayne Manor. So this one I didn't put a gate because my cabins on wheels park, it goes in here and it's a one way, and then it goes around and then come back and come out here. See, that's why I have do not enter. It was just a simple build. For the columns, I used those black foam that it's a little thicker. So I just cut two pieces. I painted them red. And for end scale, it's really kind of hard to see the bricks anyway. And I got plastic. It's from this here. It's like a for sale sign plastic. I used styrene for these, the post right here, and then I just cut a little slit on top of the post, and then I just glued the sign onto the top, and that is what it looks like. Close up. All right, and I'll fix that later. All right, and I'll show you some other stuff that I made, or I did. There's the museum. An old train depot. They turned into a museum now. Grand opening. And there's Kit. And I moved the farmhouse here. They're the ones that rents the cabins on wheels, which are the cabooses. And I've added lights, by the way. There's Jerry. That's non-functioning light posts. There's my light. Another one. So that's it. Just wanna update you guys of what's happening in this area of my layout. And there's my favorite stargazer. Oh, and by the way, we got dinosaur. Hungry for the guy up there. Alright. Thank you everyone for watching. Drew Steel 69 out.